Al-Hajj Ahmed is returning to what's left of his home in Omdurman, near Sudan's capital Khartoum. He and his family were forced to escape after fighting between the army and paramilitary rapid support forces intensified in their neighborhood. After months of destruction, the area is barely recognizable.
We were forced to leave after rapid support forces intensified their presence here. The army came and tried to remove them. The army told the residents to evacuate the houses, claiming the area would become a combat zone, so we left.
It's well known that the rapid support forces always focus on stealing money, gold and cars. I was hoping to find my photography and design equipment, but unfortunately some of it was stolen and the rest was burned.
The neighborhood is now under the control of the Sudanese army, but most residents have not returned. The UN says the conflict, which started 18 months ago, has displaced more than 11 million people. Thousands are facing starvation in refugee camps. In the western Darfur region, children have died of malnutrition.
My colleagues on the ground in Zamzam camp told me that people were lined up on the side of the road cheering as these trucks rolled in. They tell me that people in the camp are resorting to extreme measures to survive because food is so scarce. Families are eating crushed peanut shells, which are usually used as animal fodder.
Humanitarian groups say the conflict has had a catastrophic impact on women and girls. According to the UN, gender-based violence has increased by twofolds.
Gender-based violence is not new, but with the war, and since the war erupted April last year and launched Sudan into one of the biggest protection and GBV crises, there is increase in gender-based violence cases, especially in conflict zones.
Health officials say more than 1,000 people have died in a cholera outbreak that started in August. And with no sign of a ceasefire between the warring sides, aid agencies warn the death toll could rise even further. Hamza, Mohamed, Al Jazeera.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.